Gossiping about your partner is one huge mistake some women make. It's a betrayal of trust and a violation of confidence. Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sheinu Tabiche. To all my returning subscribers, welcome. If you're new, you're in the right place. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. In this video of today, I will share with you 3 mistakes women make in relationships. Let's dive straight into the video. The first mistake women make in relationship is they often fail to see their partners for who they are. We are all human beings. We have our weaknesses, we have our shortcomings, and we have our challenges. If you decide to vehemently refuse to see your partner for who he is, you're picturing in your mind who you want your partner to be and the things you want your partner to be doing. You will see that you will always be projecting your imaginations upon your partner. The fact that someone snores in the night when he sleeps does not mean this person should not be loved, valued, and honored. That person has a right to be. You have to see someone for who he is, and there you make your decision if you're going to be with this person or not. Don't sit and you're imagining the way another person's husband is treating her and you want your own partner to treat you that same way. Meanwhile, your partner is not able to. You don't have to be in a competition when you are in a relationship with other people. Each relationship is unique. Know your partner's abilities, and if you decide to remain in this relationship, you should work with your partner towards living the way your partner has explained that he is. Don't imagine and try to impose. You have to know this and stop trying to imagine, trying to impose, trying to make your partner to be who he is not. This poses a lot of problems in relationships because when someone explains to you that this is how I am, these are the things I can do, these are the things I cannot do, some women, they will accept that they are okay with it. But when they get into the relationship, they start refusing. They start saying, no, you can't do this. I want you to do this. I want you to do that. Please, if you are one of these people, it will be advisable for you to stop. Accept your partner for who he is if you want to remain in the relationship. And you should live in peace. Don't look at what other people are doing. The second mistake women make in relationships is gossiping about their partner to people. Some women, they spend their time gossiping about their partner. Anything that happens in the relationship, they share it with people who are not part of the relationship. Gossiping about your partner, whether it is good gossip or it is bad gossip, it destroys the sacred energy within your relationship. If you're in a relationship and your partner tells you something or you notice something, you have to keep it within that relationship. Gossiping is a betrayal of trust and a violation of confidence. When you're in a relationship and you decide to go out, you start telling people or someone about your partner's shortcomings, your partner's fears, your partner's weaknesses, your partner's anxieties, all these type of things, you should know you are gossiping about your partner. And what most women don't understand is what destroys a relationship very fast is what happens within and not what comes from outside. If you spend your time gossiping about your partner, telling people, oh, my partner cannot do this, oh, he cannot do that. You're making people to have negative impressions about him. You're making people that when they look at your partner, all the negative things will be coming up. And even if they had to smile, some people will not smile. They will be spreading the gossip. And that's how many people will always be saying negative things, even if it is not true. So don't even attempt to tell anyone the things your partner is doing which are not correct, which you know you can work on these things. If you can't work on them, why not go to God in prayer and pray to God rather than telling your friends who will tell other friends, and that is how your name is spreading. And very soon some people will tell you, why don't you leave the relationship? This person is not good enough for you. You deserve more, or you should not settle for less. You are the one who put yourself in such situations, and people will be giving you advice you don't need. So the best thing you should do, go to God in prayer. Table your problems to Him. Be patient. Call your partner. Talk to your partner in private. Don't expose all your secret things in your relationship to people. Everything should be discussed with your partner, and the two of you should come to a resolution. Should see how you can solve your problems within the two of you. Stop explaining things to people that are not necessary. The third mistake women make in relationships is not asking for what they really want. Some women will ask for the things they think they can get, and some women will ask for the things they see that it is available. When women enter a relationship and they don't ask for the things that they know they really want, and they don't also get these things, it makes most of them to be really bitter and resentful. Some of these women will end up belittling their man. Some women do not ask for things and they end up getting very little, which makes it very difficult for them to live a fulfilled life. Such women are always bitter. Such women, most of them will not respect their man. Most of them, they are not truthful in these relationships because they did not tell the man what they wanted, and they were expecting the man to provide what they wanted without them saying it, and the man did not do it. You see that these women will be unhappy, and they will turn up making the men to always be sad, always saying things that are not really making sense, always looking for unnecessary problems because they are not getting the things they want. If you are a woman in a relationship, it's advisable for you to ask for the things you want. If you see that this man cannot provide the things you want, you see the things he can provide, are you okay with it? Are these things going to help you to live a fulfilled life? Are you going to make this man happy, or are you trying to make his life miserable because he cannot provide the things you want? Know what you want and you say it out. And if the man cannot provide it, you make up your mind if you're going to stay in the relationship or not. Don't pretend. As a woman, you should always ask for the things you want. Hope this video is going to be of help to someone out there. Thank you so much for watching. To you watching, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Kindly share this video with everyone you know. Encourage them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed. God loves you. Bye bye.